Hey guys, good evening. I want to share today quickly that how you can actually run GPT in your local machine. You don't need like a supercomputer. There is something very exciting called GPT4All. Uh, you might know I've been trying to run this for a couple of days. Finally, I've been eventually able to run it in my local, and I want to show you how easy is it. So let's get started. So I have actually cloned the repo, and there has a chat folder. I downloaded their pre-trained model, and everything I'm running in local, so there is no internet. This is basically could be the foundation of building a private chat gpt or private gpt. So let me show you how am I running it. So I'm just going to run the script, which is basically just um, running that model. So it's going to start, it checks my server, all the gpus configuration, the cpu architecture. It comes with this prompt. Now, this is not really like ChatGPT UI, but it exactly the same. You can ask anything, any questions. Just say, "Hey, write a poem on coding." Let's see how creative is it compared to ChatGPT. So it's pretty fast. So just to tell you is that it's not a very high and machine. I just spent like $1,500 to get a gpu machine, and it's giving good results. So let's say write me a java program to implement binary search. Let's see how it can do. So you see that what exactly ChatGPT does, it's doing the same thing. But everything is running 100% in my private lab. It has no connectivity with the internet. So it's 100% secured. So this could be the foundation of building a private chat gpt. I'm going to in coming days more share is how this, but again, just to tell you, this is not going to be used for commercial use because it's under the hood. It's using, I think, the Facebook implementations, which is only for the research and non-commercial use. But I'm sure in coming days. But the point is that you don't need a supercomputer or cluster of computer to run it. You can use very like a moderate or the regular infrastructure to run it, and it's not going to be that costly. But I think see here it's doing something wrong. I asked for java, it's giving python. Something wrong. Okay, that's that's weird. So it's giving a, it's not that smart like chat gpt. So it loves python. So even if you say, so I can actually it says control c to interject anytime, press return to control to the llma. So let me see, I'm putting return. So it's still doing. You want to submit another line. um okay, so it's done. So I can say, hey, okay, this is a sample response. What's your name? Includes example of how you might respond from the information about yourself. It's born hobby. So it's basically telling me, I think by mistake I just say hey why, and it takes. Okay, just let me see if it is remembering the context or the previous context. Your previous coding response was wrong. I asked for Java, you gave Python. Let's see. Okay, but my programming language is Python, not Java. Can we try again? uh, I like it. Okay, so it may be only Python it is. So let me say write a program on Python to implement simple transformer model training. Let's see if it has trained itself. You can follow in order to train your own okay. I said transformer spelling was wrong, but it just say, it's giving me the TensorFlow. Okay, yeah. In order to here the you can follow in order to train your own TensorFlow based transformer model. Okay, that's correct. It's giving me a TensorFlow based, not giving PyTorch, though it's something specific to Facebook. Um, so that's good actually. It's a relevant information. So I won't take too much of time because so this is a small quick demo that you can run it. So I had configured a couple of changes in terms of installing the right NVIDIA driver, and also some quick tweaks. I'm going to share more detail in coming days, but hope this makes you excited because we can this is the one step closer of democratizing the GPT or chat GPT like language model. So talk to you again. Thank you.